Welcome to Free Crypto. My name is Arthur, and in this video I'm gonna show you how exactly I find triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities on Bybit crypto exchange. And of course, we're gonna do some live trades whereby I'm gonna show you step by step how exactly you are going to take advantage of these opportunities that we're gonna scan right now on Bybit crypto exchange and stuff like that. So without further ado, guys, let's just jump right into it without wasting any time. So you already know that I use Heavy Crypto Arbitrage Scanner, and this scanner helps me to find triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities on multiple exchanges like Bybit, KuCoin, Binance, Coinbase, and all those good exchanges and stuff like that. So today we're just gonna take advantage of Bybit crypto exchange, whereby we're gonna scan for live arbitrage opportunities. These are triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities, and then we're gonna go to Bybit crypto exchange, and then we're gonna take advantage of these triangular opportunities and stuff like that. So let's just jump right into it. And as you can see, I already have my scanner right here, so all I have to do is to put my market. And the reason why I use USDT is because USDT has got a lot of pairs. We can also try to use other markets like USDC because it also has a lot of pairs, and also Bitcoin. So we have Bitcoin, USDT, and USDC. We can still take advantage of arbitrage opportunities on these pairs as well. So let's just jump right into it. Right here, we're just gonna go and put USDT because it's gonna be very easy and it has a lot of pairs. And right here you have to put amount. So we're just gonna use 200 because the more capital you have, the more profits you get. So let's say we get like 5% on a scanner, meaning that we're gonna make at least 5% based on the capital that we have. So right here we're gonna use 200 USD, and right here, of course, you want to see the top 6 triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities that are available on Bybit exchange. And these are things for auto trading. Just gonna leave it blank like this. And of course, right here you have to disable auto trading, right? So if you want to automate the whole process, I made a whole video whereby I showed you how exactly you can put your API keys, secret keys, and stuff like that, and I'll leave a link to that video in the description below as well. But in this video, we're just gonna do manual because this is for beginners and stuff like that. So we're just gonna go ahead and click apply, and once we do that, it's just gonna scan and then give us opportunities. All right, guys, so these are the opportunities that we have, and you can see that we have at least 6 opportunities that we can take advantage of. So the first one is USDT to ETH, then ETH to Euro and stuff like that. I don't like these stable coins. A second one, we have USDT to BTC, then swap BTC to DOT or DOT, then sell to USDT. I like this one because it also has like 7%, almost 8%. Third one, we have USDT to ETH, then to TEL, then TEL back to USDT. It's also kind of cool, but is lower than 7%. Let's just take this second one because you already know that we have like at least 7 minutes to take advantage of this opportunity. So let's just jump right into Bybit. I'm gonna go into my phone right now, and then I'm gonna show you everything and how triangular crypto arbitrage is done and stuff like that. Let's jump right into it. All right, guys, so now we're in my phone, and you can see that I've got a Bitcoin pair right here, and you can also see how much money I'm putting for this triangular crypto arbitrage because we say we want to spend 200 USD, right? So we're just gonna go straight to trade right here, and it's gonna show us spot trading dashboard. So let's just get right into it. As you can see, Bitcoin price is also going down and is very volatility, and that's why these triangular crypto opportunities are found, because of this volatility. So we're just gonna spend the whole 200 USD that we have right here. All right, we're spending 100%, which is 199.4 USD to buy some BTC. So let's do this as quick as possible. Now we have some BTC in our wallet, as you can see. So we're just gonna go to chart right here and look for DOT. So let's go to BTC and look for DOT. Here's a DOT pair to BTC. So we're gonna spend some BTC that we bought right now to get some DOT. So we're just gonna go and click 100% right here to get some dots, right? You can see I don't have any dots, so let's put 100% to get some dots, and boom. And then now we have some dots in our wallet. Right? So we're gonna go to dots to USDT to sell it there, and then we're gonna make our profits and stuff like that. So we're just gonna go to dot right here and sell this dots to USDT. So let's look for USDT pair right here, USDT, and let's search for dot. All right, dot right here, and we're gonna spend the whole available dots that we have in our wallet to get some USDT, and you're gonna see the profits and stuff like that. So we're just gonna go ahead and click sell, and we're gonna spend the whole 100% of dots that we have right here, and click sell, and boom. You know what I mean? So now let's go back to our wallet, or we're just gonna go click buy to see how much profits we have made, and just gonna click buy. So yeah, so now you can see that we made approximately 17 USD because we started with 200 USD, and then now we ended up having 17 USD because of this triangular crypto arbitrage. You know what I mean? So it's easy like this, guys, and you can also check in my wallet. So if you like this kind of videos, make sure to subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm, as well helping the channel. And the link to the scanner is gonna be in the description below as well, guys. And therefore, I'll send the video. Love and peace, guys, and cheers.